on.
Cold out there. Another cold day, believe it or not. November has been so cold for us, and that stretch of cold weather just continues. Tomorrow, a little warmer than today, but still on the chilly side. We'll start with partly sunny skies in the morning. Temperatures in the upper 20s as we start the day. Then at noontime, 35 degrees, and at 5 o'clock, 36 degrees. Wind chills will be in the 20s with the southeast wind picking up as we go through the day. But there will be some areas that reach the 40s tomorrow. That'll be for areas south of I-80, and it will be dry tomorrow. We have a little snow out there right now, but tomorrow will be dry. It's the weekend where we get a little messy. First, Friday night into Saturday morning, there will be some rain coming through. It'll stay all rain during this time frame. But on Sunday afternoon into Sunday night, that's when things could get a little messy. We could start with some rain and then transition to snow in parts of the area from Sunday afternoon through Sunday night. So travel plans, if you're coming back into town on Sunday, there could be some issues for us in the afternoon and evening. So let's talk more about that Sunday storm system. At 8 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, there will be an area of low pressure coming out of the plains moving into Missouri. Now, the track of that low is still yet to be determined. There's a little bit of variety here in the models as to where they want to take this low. Some have it a little farther to the north, some have it a little farther to the south. If you want snow, you want a southerly track. That would put us on the cold side of the low. If the track is a little farther to the north, we would see a lot more rain than any snow. At this point, it looks like we'll probably start with some rain and then transition to snow, and it's potentially the higher snow totals could be out towards western Illinois and up into southern Wisconsin. Bottom line here is that Sunday, just keep an eye on the forecast because of that track of that low will change before we get to Sunday. But somewhere, either in Iowa, Wisconsin, potentially here in northern Illinois, there could be a decent amount of snow coming our way. And I'll show you just one of the forecast models on Sunday. This one at 10 a.m. is showing rain switching over to some snow as we head into the afternoon and evening as that low pulls into northern Indiana by Sunday evening. And then we get on the backside and see some colder air move in. And just to kind of re-emphasize the point that the potential is there for some accumulating snow on Sunday, I'll show you two of the forecast models, the GFS and the European, showing that areas west and northwest have the greatest chance here of seeing some snow on Sunday. So just keep that in the back of your mind. If you have travel plans on Sunday, just keep an eye on the forecast. Right now, we've got some light snow coming down up here in the far northern suburbs around Waukegan, back towards Woodstock and back towards Lake Geneva and Racine. We've got some light snow coming down here. This is part of just a little disturbance that's moving across southern Wisconsin. Could see a few slippery spots on the roads, though, farther to the north. 32 is the current temperature at O'Hare. Dew points at 23. Wind chill, that's what it feels like, also 23 degrees. 36 was the high today, 30 the low, 45 is the average high. So once again, another day with below average high temperatures. We're only in the upper 20s in Gurnee and McHenry, but mid-30s to the south. In Ottawa, you're up to 37. Tonight, we'll drop back into the mid to upper 20s under cloudy skies. We have snow flying here along the East Coast, not heavy, but a few little squalls of snow coming across parts of New York and Pennsylvania, even over towards New England. Back to the west, it's relatively quiet. But high pressure slides in tomorrow. We'll see gusty southeast winds pick up during the day. Upper 30s tomorrow. But on Friday, before that rain gets here, we'll be close to 50 degrees. And then here comes that rain Friday night into Saturday morning. And as we move into the afternoon on Saturday, we'll dry things out and stay in the upper 40s for highs on Saturday. Tonight, we're mostly cloudy and cold, falling into the 20s. Tomorrow, we're at 39, 49 on Friday with rain late. Rainy early on Saturday with highs in the upper 40s. And then Sunday's that transition day. We'll watch that storm closely. Behind that storm, it gets cold again. Highs in the upper 20s for next Tuesday and Wednesday, with maybe a few flurries coming in on Tuesday. So it's a brief warm-up for Friday and Saturday, upper 40s.
Okay,